Hi, I'm Simon and I'm joining you from beautiful Yongchan County, where I'm exploring a village of the Yao ethnic minority people, filled with interesting things that I've never seen before. So I'm about to spend my 10th Mid-Autumn Festival here in China, and a big feature of the Mid-Autumn time is eating mooncakes. So this will be my first time at trying to make mooncakes, but I think I can do it. So now I'm putting the center into the flattened pastry and wrapping it around. So now into the wooden mold and flatten it out. Okay, so now it's flattened in the mold. Now we come to the final stage, which is brushing the top of the mooncakes with whipped egg yolk. So now, finally, into the baker. Into the baking machine with the two mooncakes, all ready to go. Okay, now it's finally time to get out the finished mooncakes. My first effort, but look how perfect they are. Wow. Like the Mid-Autumn Festival has been a symbol and an experience of unity. And when you taste the delicious mooncake, you really get to experience the culture. Happy Autumn Festival.